The 2015 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, tow hitch, traction control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, rear head airbag, intermittent wipers, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror, pass-through rear seat, engine immobilizer, rear bench seat. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.